How to make a low poly rock. So to start off, A, X, delete. We can go add, mesh, icosphere. In the bottom left where it says subdivisions, turn that to 1. Click off and click back on, go to the modifier section, add a subdivision. From here you can just move around the sides a little bit, make it a little bit less even, so you have more of a distinct low poly rock. Or, you know, if you want to make it tall, you could just grab from the top and then just pull up, and then maybe pull around down here, you know, to get some little things off. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little bit tall of a rock, not too crazy tall. So we just have to grab some of these vertices and pull them up. Also in the bottom left you can see the buttons I'm clicking. So we know we're getting a little bit of a tall rock going. Pull this down a little bit. Around. I'm going to increase the subdivisions a little bit to make it more distinct that it's tall. Control A to apply it. Add modifier, decimate. We're going to lower the ratio so we get about 50. Alrighty, now we got a low poly rock. Now if you want to add some extra glare to this, you can right click, shade smooth. When you go to your normals, click auto smooth. That way you can get more of, you know, a good feeling low poly rock. I'd like for this to be upside down, so I'll go only X, R 180, make it flip 180. So that way it faces up that way. Then you're just going to export it to wherever you'd like. So I'm going to put it in my downloads folder. And now name it low poly rock. I'm clicking selection only because that's what I'm used to. I'm used to highlighting and then clicking export. It's just force a habit. You don't have to do that. So now you go into Roblox Studio and you're going to press Control I, type in mesh, then click on mesh part. And you go over here, properties, mesh ID, go to your downloads folder or wherever you put it. For me, my downloads folder. Click on low poly rock. Would you like to move the location? No. Now we got this rock. We're going to decrease this a little bit to make it look like a rock. Stretch it up a little bit. Make it smooth plastic too, so we get a real low poly feel. And then I can do this. I can do this. I can do whatever I want. I still have a low poly rock.